So any country with import is like a lot of import is actually a loss for the government or like the budget. So for example, you youngsters, I would ask you this question. So like when you're walking on Kalidasa Road, right? Or like, you're on Brigade Street. So like you see Ramraj on the right hand side and you see Jockey on the left hand side, right? So which one would you go to? Like tell me, which one would you go to? Would you go to Ramraj or would you go to Jockey? Jockey is because like, you wake one guy up in the middle of the night and then ask him like, okay, which one would you want to choose? He's going to say Jockey is just because of the brand name that they have created and it's a foreign brand. People blindly believe in foreign brands. So right now, Make in India was one of the things where like they started encouraging people like Ramraj and everybody. So like while you open up the market, so at the end of the day, like, your guys here in India who are manufacturers are also like, competing with a better product. Right? You get my point, right? So like the quality and the entire thing has to increase. If I have to compete, if I am a Ramraj guy, I have to compete with Jockey. It matters a lot because I have to make sure that like, my product is actually better than Jockey. Be the pricing because like, Jockey sells it at 200 rupees, Ramraj sells it at 150 for a better quality, better this thing, but it is just that they don't have the branding. So right now what Modi government is actually like led is they're planning to export. Because in India, we are not respecting the fact that Ramraj has been there for like years and like we're not buying it. But in foreign, like, for example, if they have to sell it in the States, like India being the fast developing country, so where like people are actually like, more inclined to like, buy Indian products right now because of the yoga, this thing and everything. So like Startup India has been one of the great things. And then there's a lot of scope for like most of the startups right now. But I would tell you like, a quick thing about how a startup works. I know for a fact that you guys would want to start a business like, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow or like 5 years down the lane. So there is few things that you'll have to follow before you start a business. So 4 years back when I started Abillion Financial Private Limited, for the first 6 months, I had like one employee for working for me, like, for like 6 months before I got any, clients and everything. So basically when you start, so like there is a difference between planning and execution is what people need to understand. So like, today I can tell Joel, the only name that I know here, I'm sorry. This thing, if I have to tell Joel, like saying that, okay, listen Joel, like, when we wake up in the morning tomorrow, we're going to be in the moon. That's planning. So, but like, tomorrow in the morning when I wake up and Joel asks me, dude, I'm not in the moon. So that is like the execution has not happened. So any startup for like a matter of fact, the planning and the execution has to happen. And when it comes to investors, like not in the first go, you should go for an investor. Bootstrap is the main thing what the Indian government is telling us right now because you don't have to pay taxes for the first 3 years. You don't have to like pay interest. There's a lot of loans which has been given out by the government. So I would want one of you guys to talk about the benefits of this budget, like, maybe in the next guys. So like, whatever, like however we start a startup that has to make sure that has to find a problem, find a solution. Only when you know there is a problem is when you can find a solution. For example, everybody is doing a lot of other things, but like, everybody is doing the same thing, but like, nobody is solving the problem. Because like, a few years back, Paytm was just like this thing who found a problem, made it much simpler to do the transaction. And then came like Google Pay and everything. So like these guys were the guys who just came up with the thing. But the same way with Swiggy, Zomato and all of that, 5 years back, we used to think like, we used to sit at home and we used to be like, okay, I really need this dessert from Yaucha, Bangalore, but I have to travel to Yaucha, right? That's the problem. Like, me traveling half an hour in Bangalore and then going to Yaucha and eating that food. By then, like you would have already lost your appetite or you would have lost interest in eating it. Right now, they found a problem right there and then they said, okay, Baba, listen, let me come up with this app where it comes and delivers it to your house. So beat anything. So now everything, we're living in like a world where like everything is going to get delivered to your house. So the problem has already been like solved. So next thing, whatever we're doing has to be like one of the things that like it mesmerizes a lot of people. So this budget, I think, is one of the best budget in the past 25 years, as of now. Like, it has been, there's a lot of things that has to be changed, and there's a lot of things, there's a floor discussion is going to happen very soon. So, but as of now, like, I'm really, like, pleased, like, the way, like, you guys are going forward about it. Like, it is actually one of the best events that I've attended, because, like, most of the colleges don't do this, like, post-budget analysis, because, like, you guys are the guys who would want to, like, know what is the budget is, because you would want to, like, start something this year, because you're passing out this year. I think this is one of the best events that I've ever attended. Thank you so much. Like,